Hey guys, today we're going to be fidget trading. Let me pick up, I don't really like this mushy stuff. Mushy stuff. Going once, going twice, going three times. You want to think? You can play with it while you think.
Good idea.
But don't get it out of its container. It's willy. And look at our fidgets. I got those, and she's got all of that.
This one's the funniest.
Here, look at, here, I got it.
I never even know this.
Okay,
Hard.
okay, choose. Okay. If you want to trade, then choose what you want to trade.
Let's see here. This?
What is this?
It's I guess a homemade puppet, like a hair clip, basically, but...
Can you do something else?
Or, let's see, marble mesh.
Yeah, I'll accept. Thank you.
Welcome.
Now I got 2 marble meshes.
I got the whole collection.
Okay, anything you want to trade? Extra stuff?
Let's see here. Thinking about it. Thinking about it. Do I want to do it? You know, this going once.
Me. I will trade. I don't really know what I want to trade. Maybe I'll trade these 2. A mochi and a spring ball. And look at boingy. Whee! So a pig mochi and a, what are these called again? Neato.
Well, they're air. They're filled with air.
Air though.
Instead of this
water
that
and all.
Stuffing or water.
Yeah, whatever they stuff with it.
Except.
Yay! I got me a squishy. It's a monkey head.
Don't worry. The other body, the other one, the body.
Well, I think. Do you want to trade anything else?
I'm not sure.
Trade backs. If you want to trade back, it's fine.
Maybe some.
Oh, and I also. Oh, and these are also in. But guess what? A kid at school, my school, will trade both of a simple dimple for wacky tracks one day, they said. So maybe I get to trade wacky tracks for a simple dimple, but bigger than this one.
Yeah.
If there even is bigger. Because that one doesn't. So anything else you think you might want to trade?
Do you think you want any trade backs? Or do you have any ideas you want to trade? Well,
no.
For my thing or so.
No. I guess that's all for today.
Yeah, I guess so.
Bye.
Bye.